Hi everyone, so I just want to take you through some of the Kokorosastudio dies that I ordered recently. I ordered 7 dies in total and I've now made cards using all of them. So I just want to show you, you would have seen some of these cards, or you will be seeing, I'm not sure when this is all going up, but anyway, you'll be seeing them soon. So I just want to take you through them all. So let me start with, just clear them out of the way, and we will start with the branches die. So this is the branches die. This is how it comes. Nice size, really nice size. And then with this, I made a few different ones. So I actually split them and layered them up on there. And I did the same on this one as well. I just split them and layered them up. But you can obviously leave them together as one. So that was that one. Then I also bought this die here, which is a birthday die. Now I quite like this because there's so many things you can do with this, because you can colour things in, you can ink things, you can cut balloons off, you can cut the rainbow off, you can just have happy birthday, you can have the whole thing as one. I mean, you literally can do what you want with this. So with this one here, I made this card. So that's the front. I'll show you the inside in a minute. But yeah, so and what I did here was actually cut it out of white as well. So I've now got a white die cut waiting to go. So here's my white die cut. And so the bits out of the rainbow and the clouds and also the balloons I used here. So I've actually just coloured that in with highlighter pen. Same with this, with like marker pen. And then the clouds, I just added a bit of Wink of Stella on them, so they just got a bit of a shine to them. And then where the hearts were, I've just used gems there just to cover them in. But as I say, there's lots of things you can do with it. So that's that one. And then inside of here, I've actually got these dies here. So this is little hexagon letter dies. I mean, they're so cool. I can see so many possibilities for these. So that comes as a set, and it looks like that. So that's what the set of alphabets look like. And I've actually left them all together. I've actually left them as one piece, but you can separate them out. But I thought I'll leave them as one. I'll just cut out, you know, like a few and then put them in a box. But they're really nice, and I like the fact you get the 2 blank ones, so you can obviously back them. But obviously you do get the letters as well. So they're really useful, really, really useful, and nice size as well. Then we also had, going back into Christmas, we've got this one, which I'd seen and just kept thinking I really want that die. And it is a beautiful, beautiful die. So with this one, I have made this card. So this is a 5x7 card that I've done, but it cuts really well. And again, there's lots you can do with this die. I've actually layered this die up just to make it a bit more sturdy because my card wasn't that thick. So that's another die. And then we've also got this die, which is 2 parts. So the happy's got 2 parts, and the birthday. So the happy's just got like your outer, and then obviously your happy, and the same with the birthday. You've got your outer, your shadow, and then you've got your birthday. So this is the card I made using that die, and I love this die. It's going to get so much use because that font is perfect for male and female cards. and it just is beautiful. I teamed it up obviously with the fond die. And then I also got this one, which is like falling stars. Really love this die. Very nice. So you can have it that way, obviously, or you can have them going up. I chose to have them dangling down, and I made this card here. Just cut it out of holographic card. But again, I really like this this die. And again, I think what I'll probably do next time is I will probably cut 2 of them, and then on one of them I'll leave it intact. The other one I'll just cut down, actually cut this star out and just rotate it so the point goes up here, so you have a double layered star. And you could do that with all of them if you wanted to, but yeah, it's really a beautiful die, cuts really well. And then I also got this set of 6, and I really like these Snowflake dies. You've probably heard me raving about them. But this is the one that I made, card I made. So I've made this one with these 3. This is 3 of them. They're just such beautiful snowflakes, and they're kind of more sort of starry, really. But I don't think I've ever seen Snowflake dies just quite as beautiful as this one. So that was one card I made with it, and this was the other card I made. So this has also got the other 3 snowflakes. They cut really well, really well. Considering how ornate they are, they really cut well. I did cut these on with my Gemini, so that would have helped. But even so, I still think as long as you don't go crazy and go for a really thick card, they will cut well. So if you head over to www.kokorosastudio.com, use my code ICED15, and it will get you 15% off basically your order. They usually come in a couple of weeks. It doesn't really take that long. The prices are good anyway, so getting discount off is great. But yeah, go and have a look. There's lots over there. They've got Halloween dies over there, Christmas dies, all sorts. So yeah, go and have a look. I hope you like this video. It's a nice short video, but I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And also leave a comment down below and let me know, if there's anything you want me to do in the future. Can't promise that I will. I've already had a few requests for things to do and haven't managed to get around to doing some of them. But yeah, by all means leave me a little message, and we'll hopefully see you again soon. Okie doke, bye.